2000 Corvette. It has an oil leak. I'm going to attempt to replace this oil pressure sender, which is located behind the intake in the engine compartment on the engine. I bought it as a set from Amazon. Just, you know, perfect size socket, 27 millimeter. Oh man, I have one of those. Oh well, you know, it'll work. So yeah. I think we're gonna start by, this is the only thing that sucks about Corvettes. There's so much fiberglass. Nothing's magnetic except for the frame and bolts here and there. But yeah, it's gonna be back in there. It's gonna be down in here, right in this hole here, down in here. So I can stick my finger, my hand in here, and I can feel it with the tip of my middle finger. It's gonna be a little tough to get that connector off, but I'm gonna get it. Okay, I'm gonna show you with my scope here. We're gonna go right in there and just right down. All right, there is your sensor. Just, you see? There it is. Got a little clip on it. I can actually see it from here whenever I put the light down in there. But okay, so the clip, at least for me, it's spun in an orientation where the clip's facing this way. So I'm just gonna reach down there and try to unclip it if I can. Okay, turn that off. Unplug this. See if I can get in there and unclip the plug. Man, it's tight. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do this without taking something else off. Yeah. Alright, I can see the clip. I'm just going to try to pop it with my screwdriver here. Come on. There it is. Got it unplugged. Okay, there's the clip, or the plug. Yeah, I mean, it's been leaking. Look, there's oil all over it, so yeah. Good thing we're replacing it. See if I can get the socket down in there without dropping it behind the engine. That would suck. Okay. Oh yeah. Like butter. Now I gotta get an extension and a swivel in there. Alright, so oh yeah. Wow. Look at that. Well, you're gonna want, oh man, it even came out with it. Awesome. Make sure your crush washer came off with it and isn't like still down there, you know. Okay, so I've looked at this and I got my camera down into the hole. You see that? That's just straight metal tube. There is no filter in there, or screen. I'm not gonna put a screen in it because really all that it's doing is it's catching the debris, if there is any, which probably not, before it gets to the sensor itself. So I'm gonna leave the screen out. It didn't have one before. It's good. It was working. It just leaks. There's the old one. Take this little thing out, little thingy-mabob. You know, I'm gonna put just a little piece of this in here, a piece of paper towel, and keep it in there so it doesn't really fall out, you know? Got our crush washer. All right, let's see what we can do here. Something there, that's why. Well, dropped it. Oh yeah, come on. Oh, come on. Ah, dang it. All right, well, be right back. All right, I got it somehow. I got it. Actually, keep spinning this thing till. Got it a little bit tighter than the last person had it, because I don't know. Really? Oh, what the hell is that? Is that it? Can't even tell. Pop the socket off if I can. What's up, slut? All right, I got it in there. It's tight. I hope. No, it felt pretty tight. I got the socket off of it. That was the hardest part of this entire thing, was getting the socket off. Just so you know. So, have fun. This, push that sucker down, hope it clicks. All right, let's see if we got oil pressure. Yeah, oil pressure gauge climbed up. It's got some air in it, so that's why it took a second, more than likely. But we'll come over here. Make sure we're not leaking. I can see it pretty well. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and dry.